Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use text blocks in Squarespace Fluid Engine. If you're building a website and want your words to look great while staying super flexible, you'll love how simple and powerful these text blocks are. They give you precise control over layout while still being beginner-friendly. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to add text, style it, organize it, and even tap into Squarespace built-in AI tools to help speed up your writing, which is especially helpful if writing isn't your favorite part of building a site. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to be inside your website editor. That's the main part of Squarespace where you design and arrange your pages and sections visually. To get started, simply click on Add Block, which pops open a menu of content options. From here, scroll through until you spot Text. Go ahead and select that, since this block is the foundation for most written content on your site. This action drops a fresh text block onto your section, and now you're ready to type. At this point, you can type literally anything: a tagline, an intro paragraph, your business hours, product details, or even a short brand story. But don't rush past this next part. Above your typing area, you'll see a small drop-down menu that controls how your text is structured. This menu lets you set your text as a headline, like Headline 1, Headline 2, Headline 3, or as a paragraph, and so on. Think of headlines like road signs. They grab attention and guide visitors through your content, making your page easier to scan. For example, Headline 1 is perfect for your page's main title, while Headline 2 could introduce a new section. And paragraphs are great for the everyday information that fills in the details. Once you've got your text entered, it's time to make it stand out. Squarespace gives you a bundle of formatting options that let you add emphasis without overcomplicating things. You can make words bold for extra emphasis, or tilt them with italics for style and subtlety. There's also the theme color changing. This adjusts your text color to match your branding, helping everything feel cohesive across your site and consistent with your overall design. Let's say you want something to really pop. Maybe a call to action like Shop Now or Book a Consultation. Just highlight that section and play with the scaling tool to increase text size so it draws attention. You can also highlight text in a contrasting color, which is great for drawing a visitor's eye without needing extra graphics or buttons. Want your text to do more? Why not add a link? Just select the relevant words and attach a URL. Now, visitors can click straight through to a product page, contact form, or external resource. As you keep editing, you'll see more familiar options, just like in typical word processors. Strike-through can help cross off items or show edits during drafting, while bullets and indents organize your thoughts into lists or levels. If you're arranging a list of services, features, or steps in a process, these features really tidy things up for alignment and readability. You can line your text left, right, center, or justify. This can change the overall look and feel of a section, so experiment to see what works best for your design and brand personality. And here's a bonus that saves tons of time: Squarespace AI Writing Tool. If you're stuck or want help getting started, click the Squarespace AI button beside the text block. Just type your topic or what you need help writing. You can ask the AI to compose a full paragraph, generate a pitch, or spin up a quick blurb, perfect for product highlights, service descriptions, or creative introductions when you're short on time. Once you're happy, press enter, and the AI will insert the text right in. Don't worry if the first draft isn't perfect. You can edit or tweak it just like any other text, making it sound more like you and better aligned with your brand voice. And that's really all there is to it. Adding and styling text blocks in Squarespace Fluid Engine is straightforward, puts creative control in your hands, and can make your site look incredibly professional, even if you're just getting started or transitioning from another platform. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a like, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another tool you'd love to learn about. For more tips and easy web design walkthroughs, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.